In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track opens and clicks in Apollo.io. This process is an essential part of your email marketing strategy as it provides valuable insights into how your messages are performing and which elements are engaging your audience the most. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up tracking for your emails, giving you access to a wealth of data that can help you refine and improve your email campaigns. Let's start by heading over to Apollo.io's homepage. If you haven't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and get situated on the main dashboard. Once you're there, the next step is to look for the Admin Settings option. This is usually found in the sidebar or under a settings icon, so keep an eye out as you navigate through the interface. Clicking on Admin Settings will take you to a new screen where you can access various configurations for your account. Now that you're in the admin area, find and select All Settings. This is your gateway to customizing Apollo.io to fit your workflow and business needs. In the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options related to your account. For the purposes of this tutorial, you'll want to focus on the profile option, so go ahead and click on it. Your profile settings are where you can manage personal preferences and account-specific information necessary for tracking. With your profile now open, direct your attention to the email settings. This section is where all the magic happens in terms of tracking emails. On this page, you'll see a set of options related to email delivery and tracking. The two most important options here are Enable Open Tracking and Enable Click Tracking. To start capturing data on who opens your emails, locate and click on Enable Open Tracking. This feature adds an invisible pixel to your emails that tracks when an email is opened by a recipient. It's a simple toggle, and once activated, you'll start gathering data on email opens almost immediately. Similarly, you'll want to activate Enable Click Tracking. Click tracking usually works by modifying the links within your emails so that they pass through Apollo.io before reaching their final destination. This allows Apollo.io to collect data on each click, providing insights into which links are performing best. After toggling this on, all your outbound links will be tracked automatically. By following these steps, you'll be equipped with the tools necessary to monitor and optimize your email campaigns. This tracking system is invaluable for understanding engagement and improving your outreach strategy. As you gather data, remember to regularly review it to make informed decisions about your marketing efforts. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps.